What's going on, guys? It's your boy DeAnte, Break the Cycle Section. How you doing? And first of all, let me apologize for my voice right now. I'm starting to come down with a little bit of a cold. You know, I got 3 kids. They bring that stuff home from school. You know, we just gotta fight it, right? So, but really quickly, I want to show you a EURUSD short that I've taken this morning. Today is the first day of New Year, January 1st, 2020. I usually don't trade, like I've told you guys before, but I like to take little scalps when I can, okay, because you can always scalp the market. No matter what conditions, the market's in, you can always find, setups for 10, 15, 20 pips. And that's all you really need once you compound, your account. So, let me go over this EURUSD trade right now. I am in a live. Currently I am about, let's check it out. Currently, we're about 7 pips up. I'll show you guys. We're about 7 pips up on this short. Okay. So let me just show you why I entered the short on this. So first off, it's definitely in a buyer's market. Okay, on a higher time frame. But what I saw here was price started to break down a little bit. You see, it was on this nice bullish run over here. Okay, it's on this nice bullish run, and then the finally started to break down a little bit, maybe come down for a retest before pushing up. This is definitely a short-term sell that I'm in. Okay, I'm gonna go for my 10 pips, 10, 15 pips. All right. So what I saw was price finally broke our smaller EMAs and closed below them. Okay, I have a 10 and a 15 here, I believe. Yeah, 15 is red, the 10 is white. So price finally broke our EMAs here. Came back up for a retest. This is on the 1 hour, right? And when I finally saw it this morning, prices were already down here. So what I did was, I dropped my fib on here, okay? So I drew my fib from bottom to top, alright? Cause we're looking to see how far down can price retrace before going back in to that trend. All right. So, basically I drew my fib on the breakout leg here, all the way to the top, and initially I saw the 38.2 bounce, right? So my bias was bullish at first, okay? I was gonna take it back up to here, to our 15 EMA. Alright, or back to the zone right here when it comes back up to retest. So what I did was I looked at my my TDI after I put in the trade to go bullish, right? I looked at my TDI and I noticed that market is below, price is below market sentiment. Alright. This yellow line here is market sentiment on my TDI. And we see that the 50 static, if I move this over here. This is the 50 static right here, okay? So, when price is below the market sentiment, we may be in a short-term, bearish market, alright? Because overall market sentiment is still above the 50 static, alright? It's still above it. So, prices come back up, retest this, market sentiment line, and then drop again. So what I did was, I closed out my my buy at first, okay? Closed out my buy. And I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame. So on our lower time frames, you'll start to see the market shift before the higher time frames, of course, right? So what I saw was my smaller EMA is already crossed below my 50 and my EMA 200, alright? So that tells me that this is definitely, let's let it go, let's let it keep on going short for a while, okay? So what I did was I dropped a fib. I don't know if you guys can see this. I dropped another fib on the 15-minute time frame on my breakout leg, alright? This is the breakout leg. See, the price came down, came back up for a retest, and then broke the previous lows again, alright? So this is the breakout leg right here. And I noticed that price was coming back up into my kill zone for a short, okay? My kill zone is at the 79, the 70, and the 62 on my fib levels. Not only that, it also lined up with EMA 200, right? When any of my kill zones lined up with the EMA, that gives me more confidence and more confluence that I can possibly take a trade in that direction, okay? Like if price is below my EMAs, then I can take a trade for a short. If price is above my EMAs, then I can take a trade for a buy, okay? So I entered the short here at what price level is this? I entered the short at 1.11928. So I shorted the market here 1.11 at 1.11928. Alright. I shorted the market right here. You can see I'm still in this. Right? I'm still in it. Short the market right at the EMAs to go short. Okay? What's giving me more confidence in this trade is everything lined up. My kill zones lined up with all my EMAs right here. Right? Market sentiment on my 15-minute time frame is right here, okay? Below the 50, static, alright? My TDI is showing short, is about to cross back below market sentiment, so this will keep on going down, alright? And, right now I'm at 10 pips, so I'll probably close half my position, but I really do see EURUSD, at least hitting, our 50 SMA, okay? I would love to see it come all the way down here, to 1.1150 area, okay? And once it does come down here, then I'll be looking for a long to go back up, okay? Because this will be right in my kill zone. It will line up with either my 70 or my 62 on the fib, right? And that's just keeping it so simple, guys. Okay? Right now I'm 11 pips up, 10 pips up. Alright? I'll probably end up taking profit either down here, or if I start to see it reject, I'm gonna go ahead and take the bag right here at 1.1176 to go ahead, cash out on the market and wait for that to set up. Alright? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what kind of questions you guys have, what kind of videos you guys want me to shoot. I'll definitely put them up so you guys can see, how I'm able to make a full-time living, trading Forex, how I'm able to teach other people how to make a full-time living trading Forex, alright? If you haven't checked out our academy yet, my Break the Cycle FX Academy, go ahead and check that out. The link is down below. It's www.breakthecyclefx.com. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/breakthecyclefx. You can go there and check out 70 plus 5-star reviews from current members and new folks that's inside the Break the Cycle FX Academy, alright? So, as always, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and make sure you click that bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, whether it's a live trading video or any kind of training videos that I put up, alright? As always, it's your boy DeAnte, Break the Cycle Section. I'm still in this EURUSD trade. 11 pips up. Let me show you. About 12 pips up right now. Alright, this is a real count. So that's what we call surgical entry right there, guys. Alright. So as always, it's your boy DeAnte, Break the Cycle Section, and I'll see you in the next video.